Ladies and gentlemen, good morning.
Morning!
My name is Sofian TS, and I was a QSHE Inspector for Offshore Middle East in Sharjah, UAE for the past 4 years. Over there, I found out the fact that many international companies appreciate professional Indonesian manpower, especially Ikbal-M-Yos alumni. Nowadays, they are spread to all over the world and become well-respected technicians, safety officers, inspectors, auditors, surveyors, managers, and even directors. That's why I gave up my job and I chose to join the 30th enrollment of Certified Welding Inspector course in Ikbal-M-Yos. I found out it is much better and cost-effective when compared with similar international courses such as AWS from America or CWII from England. Ikbal-M-Yos provides a minimum of 600 classroom meetings, which is equal to Senior Welding Inspector Level 2 by international certification bodies. And I thank God. I'm so grateful to have the chance to learn more about myself, about God, and about my role realistically from Mr. Sofyan TS, our main lecturer, including Mr. Ikbal, Mr. Saiful, and Mr. Happy, and all Ikbal-M-Yos crews. My past was filled with indoctrinations, myths, and justifications. But the subject quality, safety, health, and environment awareness with our guard voice has enlightened me and motivated me to realize the need to bring myself back to zero so I can see the ray of light ahead, can choose the right from wrong, so I can have my self-confidence to be an influential leader who carries the flag of Indonesia. Now, it's time for us to stand up and change. I trust Ikbal-M-Yos in their vision and mission to produce excellent Indonesian human resources in maritime, oil and gas industries to go international, having strong characteristics, capability, and competency to fairly compete with other nations. We are committed to be 1x0 generations. Professional 1x0. Yes! We sure can. Thank you.
Alhamdulillah. Ya, terima kasih buat Bapak Sofian WITARSA.